Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Samsung Internet Browser keeps opening automatically. So if you also want to fix Samsung Internet Browser keeps opening automatically, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sometimes Samsung Internet Browser may keep opening automatically. There might be various reasons for this problem. So if you want to fix it, you might have to do a couple of things. The first thing that you can do is go to the app info interface of Samsung Internet Browser. For that, simply open the app library of your device. Now over here, what you have to do is find the application for internet. Once you find the application for internet, all you have to do is long press on it. Now simply tap on the app info option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of internet browser. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is scroll down and find the option for pause app activity if unused. Make sure this button is toggled on. If it is not toggled on, tap on this button. After that, it will be toggled on. Basically, if you toggle on this button, all the app activity will be paused if it is unused. So it will not keep opening automatically. If this does not solve your problem, what you can do is go to the internet browser. You can see over here, internet browser has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you'll be led to the menu interface. You'll be able to find several menu over here. Over here, what you have to do is go to settings. So simply tap on the settings option that you can see at the last. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for ad blocking. If you find the option for ad blocking, all you have to do is tap on it. Make sure enable ad blocking has been enabled. Make sure to toggle on this button. If it is turned off, simply tap on the button. After that, it will be toggled on. So after that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is go back. Now in the settings interface, what you have to do is find the option for clear data. Once you find the option for clear data, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, what you have to do is choose the data that you want to clear. Make sure to choose the history option. If you want to delete other data too, go ahead and select those data. After that, what you have to do is tap on the clear option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now simply tap on the delete option. Now after that, your browsing history will be cleared successfully. This should definitely solve your problem. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is clear the cache of your application. You can also clear the cache data from here, but you can also clear it from the settings of your device. So simply go to settings. You can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the apps interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for internet browser. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for storage and cache. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the storage and cache interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after that, cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is update your application. For that, what you have to do is go to Play Store. Now simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in internet. Now after that, over here, you'll be able to find the option for internet browser. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, go ahead and uninstall your application and install the application again. After that, your problem will definitely be fixed. So that is how you fix Samsung Internet Browser keeps opening automatically. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.